Hey there, homeowners. Today we're tackling a topic that's not just about your home's protection, but also about your peace of mind. Signs that your roof might be due for a makeover. I'm Tyler, and let's explore the signals that it's time to give your roof the attention that it deserves. So what are the common signs that your roof is waving a little flag, saying, hey, it's time for a change? Think missing shingles, sagging areas, or those persistent leaks that just won't quit. If your roof is showing any of these signs, it might be whispering, I've done my duty, it's time for an upgrade. Let's face it, your roof takes a beating from the elements. If it's been on duty for a while, it's normal to see some wear and tear. But when those signs start impacting its performance, it's your roof's way of saying, help! Now if you're nodding along thinking, yep, my roof needs some attention, here's what you should do. First, don't hit the panic button. Instead, you should schedule a free consultation or inspection. It's like a health check for your home. Our experts will roll up, take a look, and give you the lowdown on what your roof needs. Getting a professional opinion is key. It's not just about fixing a leak here and there, it's about ensuring the overall well-being of your home. So whether you reach out to us or any reputable roofing professional, the first step is always a simple conversation. Don't let roof concerns keep you up at night. It's time to take action. Schedule that consultation and let's make sure your home is ready to weather any storm. I'm Tyler, and until next time, here's to a roof that stands tall, keeping you safe and dry. And remember, our family's got yours covered.